How to master Claude-assisted AI incident analysis. Learn to utilize Claude for efficient root cause analysis in AI incidents, a crucial skill for minimizing downtime and improving AI system reliability. Welcome to our channel, where today we dive into the fascinating world of AI incident analysis with Claude. Did you know that 90% of AI incidents could be resolved faster with the right tools? That's where Claude comes in. In this video, we'll explore how Claude assists in efficient root cause analysis, enhancing the reliability of AI systems and minimizing costly downtimes. By mastering Claude, you can swiftly pinpoint issues and integrate insights into your workflows, boosting your AI system's performance. Let's get started. Claude is not just another AI tool, it's a sophisticated system designed to streamline AI incident analysis. It identifies anomalies, suggests potential causes, and provides actionable insights. By leveraging machine learning and advanced data analytics, Claude helps reduce the time to resolution significantly. Understanding its role in AI incidents is crucial for anyone looking to improve their system's reliability. Claude's intuitive interface and real-time data processing give you a comprehensive view of your AI landscape, allowing you to address issues before they escalate. This capability is essential in today's fast-paced tech environment where downtime can mean significant losses. Getting started with Claude is straightforward, but there are a few essential steps to ensure optimal performance. First, assess your current system requirements and integrate Claude accordingly. Make sure to configure its settings to align with your organization's needs, focusing on data input sources and desired outputs. Claude's setup process is designed to be user-friendly, yet comprehensive, allowing for seamless integration with your existing infrastructures. Following best practices during setup will ensure that Claude operates efficiently and provides the most accurate and insightful analysis possible, laying the groundwork for successful incident resolution. Claude relies on a variety of data inputs to perform its analysis. Understanding these inputs, which include logs, metrics, and real-time data streams, is crucial for effective incident analysis. Once Claude processes this data, it generates outputs in the form of detailed reports and actionable insights. The quality of data you feed into Claude directly impacts the accuracy of its analysis, making it essential to ensure your inputs are comprehensive and relevant. By understanding the data flow within Claude, you can better interpret its outputs and apply these insights to resolve AI incidents swiftly. Once Claude completes its analysis, you'll receive a wealth of information that needs careful interpretation. The reports highlight key performance indicators, potential root causes, and suggested resolutions. Understanding these outcomes is crucial for taking corrective actions. Look for patterns and anomalies that Claude points out, and use these insights to address underlying issues. Effective interpretation requires familiarity with Claude's reporting structure and an understanding of your system's architecture. By mastering this, you can apply Claude's insights to prevent future incidents and maintain optimal AI performance. Integrating Claude's insights into your existing workflows amplifies their value. Start by aligning the insights with your team's objectives and operational processes. Claude can enhance collaboration across departments by providing a unified view of AI performance issues. Consider automating routine tasks based on Claude's recommendations to increase efficiency. Measure the success of integration by tracking improvements in incident resolution times and overall system reliability. By embedding Claude seamlessly into your workflows, you not only resolve current issues but also build a more resilient AI infrastructure ready for future challenges.
Even with the best tools, challenges are inevitable. Common issues with Claude include data quality problems, integration hurdles, and misinterpretation of results. To troubleshoot these, ensure your data sources are reliable and comprehensive. Regularly review and adjust Claude's configurations to align with evolving needs. When facing integration challenges, foster communication between IT and operations teams to ensure alignment. Use feedback loops to continuously refine Claude's analysis processes. By proactively addressing these challenges, you can leverage Claude's full potential, ensuring consistent improvements in AI incident analysis. Let's explore some real-world scenarios where Claude made a significant impact. In one case, a leading tech company used Claude to reduce incident resolution time by 50%, resulting in increased system uptime and customer satisfaction. Another organization leveraged Claude's insights to identify a recurring issue that had previously gone unnoticed, saving them millions in potential losses. These case studies highlight the transformative power of Claude in AI incident analysis. By learning from these examples, you can draw inspiration and apply similar strategies to your own systems, enhancing reliability and performance.
As technology evolves, so does the field of AI incident analysis. Claude is continuously updated with the latest advances in machine learning and data analytics, ensuring it remains at the forefront of incident resolution. Future trends include enhanced predictive capabilities, integration with IoT devices, and increased automation. These developments will further reduce downtime and improve AI system reliability. Staying informed about these trends allows you to anticipate changes and prepare your systems accordingly. Embracing these advances with Claude ensures that your AI infrastructure remains robust and capable of handling future challenges.
As we conclude, remember that mastering Claude is not just about using a tool, it's about enhancing your AI system's reliability and performance. We've covered Claude's role in incident analysis, setup, data handling, and integration into workflows. Now, it's time for you to apply these insights in your organization. Share your experiences in the comments, and let us know how Claude has transformed your AI incident analysis. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Let's continue this journey together and ensure a reliable AI future.